Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are using Google Gemini AI and the image option is not showing, don't worry. In this video I will show you step by step how to fix it. Okay, let's start fast. Open your Google Gemini app. See, this is the problem. Okay, back. Follow my all the next steps properly. First, open your Google Play Store app and now search here Gemini app and click on the Gemini app. Now check on the Google Gemini app. My Google Gemini app already updated. Okay, back. Second step, open your phone settings and scroll down and click on apps icon and scroll down and now search here Gemini app. Now click on the Gemini app and scroll down. Now click on the storage option. Now click on the clear data. Now click on the delete option. Okay, back. Now click on the permission option. Allow all permission. Back. Now restart your phone. Now click on the restart and try again. Open your phone. I hope your problem has been solved successful. Please subscribe my YouTube channel.